Bloomberg Audio Studios. Podcasts, radio, news.
The Stock Movers Report, your roundup of companies making moves in the stock market, harnessing the power of Bloomberg data.
Let's get over to Natalia Knijevic. She's going to walk us through some of the single stock stories that we're following this morning. Natalia?
Yes, and as you mentioned, we have some news about deals. So, for example, Meta agreed to buy Manus. This is a Singapore-based AI agent with Chinese roots. Meta shares are flat in pre-market, but nevertheless, it's an interesting deal. So the deal values Manus at about $2 billion. This is according to sources. And they also told Bloomberg that this deal was struck in about 10 days. According to a statement, Meta plans to continue operating and selling Manus service, but also it wants to integrate its into its own product. So this startup is backed by some of the biggest Chinese names like Tencent. Its AI agent can complete different tasks like screening resumes, analyzing stocks, etc. And it is a profitable business. So Manus had an annual revenue of about $125 million earlier this year. And this could also give Meta some more immediate return on its AI spending.
18 times revenue. Just extraordinary. But it's pocket change for them.
Imagine, dude, these guys bought WhatsApp.
I know.
For $19 billion.
I know.
That was like 19 billion times revenue.
I know, exactly right. Nobody cares. So this is a small deal. What else you got for us?
Yeah, so let's check Tesla. So we have Tesla. Yes, shares are slightly higher in pre-market today. So Tesla posted a compilation of what analysts expect from car deliveries. So, and these numbers are more pessimistic versus data compiled by Bloomberg. So, for example, by Tesla's count, analysts on average expect that the company will deliver slightly above 422,000 vehicles in the fourth quarter, which is down by 15% from a year ago, earlier. And according to Bloomberg data, that decline would be about 10%. So again, this is more pessimistic compared to Bloomberg's data. And then, of course, we know that Tesla is on pace to post second consecutive decline in annual sales. So yeah, pretty pessimistic picture, but we'll see how it plays out. But the stock is still up on a year-to-date basis.
Tesla, nobody cares about cars anymore. And he being Elon Musk, has successfully diverted investor attention away from the bending metal to more of the story side of the game.
They could stop producing cars.
I know.
Who cares?
Exactly.
It's a $1.5 trillion company. If you add Ford's market cap plus GM plus Toyota plus Volkswagen plus Ferrari plus Koenigsegg plus Yugo, every single car maker in the world, they don't equal this market cap. Still, we're going to talk to Craig Trudell about Tesla a little bit later.
There we go. All right. Any more?
Yeah, so we know that futures are flat, but we have lots of activity in commodities space. So, for example, natural gas futures are up by 7%, U.S. nat gas futures today. And I'm looking at shares of companies including EQT. This is one of the largest U.S. natural gas producer. Shares are slightly higher. A couple of reasons behind the move in nat gas. So, for example, we know that forecasters now expect temperature in January will be colder than previously expected. Then we have domestic stockpiles of natural gas, which fell below 5-year average. We have more demand from LNG gas export terminals along the Gulf Coast. And we see some short covering, according to some traders. So lots of bullishness in natural gas.
The Stock Movers Report from Bloomberg Radio. Check back with us throughout the day for the latest roundup of companies making news on Wall Street. And for the latest market-moving headlines, listen to Bloomberg Radio live. Catch us on YouTube, Bloomberg.com, and on Apple CarPlay and Android Auto with the Bloomberg Business app.